guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Michelle. I make videos about unboxing different items, sometimes shoes, sometimes bags, and I also have videos about traveling. If you like this type of content, don't forget to like and subscribe to get more. So today we have a review video. I'm going to be reviewing the Bambino by Jacquemus, Le Grand Bambino actually, by Jacquemus. So I bought this bag about a year ago. I've been using it full time for a year. I wear it nearly every day. It's actually quite scary. I love this bag. It's just easy to just grab and go. I use it every day, literally every day. I run errands in this bag. I do everything. I go on dates with this bag. I go to my friend's house with this bag. I just do everything. Yeah, I have stuff inside because I use it all the time. I'm just gonna remove that. So this is the bag. It has a magnetic closure at the front, which could be problematic sometimes because, let me remove the strap actually. So as I was saying, there is a magnetic closure at the front. The bag is in a triangle shape from the side. So sometimes if you feel in the bag a bit too much, and then it gets in this position, so it's not a triangle anymore, it makes it harder for you to close the bag. So you have to move things around so that it stays in a triangle shape. Push everything at the bottom if you can, or only have skinny items at the top, if that makes sense. So otherwise your bag would stay a little bit open like that. And yeah, so you always want to make sure you hear the click before you go. There is a logo at the front right there. This is how you open the bag. So that's how you see it. There is another pocket on the inside and one on the outside. I never actually use this pocket, especially the one on the outside. I do sometimes use the one in the inside, maybe to put like tickets, or you know, like parking tickets, or like maybe my card. If I have a card, you know, if I just paid for something and I just want to put it right away in my bag, then I'll put it in there. But yeah, that's how the bag looks inside. As you can tell, I've been using it. There's a little stain in there, so a little bit of wear and tear. Yes, so that's all to say about this. One of the pros is that the leather is quite soft. It's really nice, which also makes it a con because you get a lot of scratches everywhere. It's very easily scratched. So yeah, that could be a bad thing. I don't mind too much because I don't have that many, but I do have a few. I'm not gonna lie, I have a few, so especially at the back of the bag and on the inside as well, because I guess, you know, you open your bag and you grab on. I have a few scratches there. So yeah, one thing that I did notice as well, and again, I don't know if it's because that happened, but I went out once and it was raining like crazy, so my bag got soaking wet. It wasn't that much of an issue, so I just wiped it off. I didn't get any crazy stains or anything, but I did notice that the bag is a tiny bit discolored. I'm not sure if you're able to see that. So I can tell that the bag is discolored. It doesn't look as dark as it was before. So yeah, I'm not sure if you can see that. It's a little bit whitish, and that's not like dirt or anything. It's always that way compared to the back where it's still quite black. So yeah, that was one of the issues that I got with the bag. Other than that, the bag is great. As I said, it's very practical. It's a structured bag, so it always stays this way. You can put it in a bag, you can put it in your suitcase or whatever. It always keep its shape, which is great. So I don't have to put anything, you know, when it's standing on my shelf, I don't have to put anything inside. It always stays that way. It comes with a strap, which is adjustable and detachable, which is great because it makes it quite versatile. So you can wear it, you know, as a top handle bag if you want. You can put your hand through it and just, like, you know, grab the bag this way. Or I'm sure some people have skinnier arms than me, even though mine are quite small, to be fair. So if you are able to, you know, you could maybe wear it that way if you wanted to, but I don't. And most of the time I use the strap. I always use the strap. I've never adjusted the strap since I bought it, so because it works for me, you know. But yeah, no wear and tear on the strap so far. Still the same. As I said, I've been using it for a year now. This was my pandemic bag, you know, like, you know, when we weren't going out that much, but I was still going out to do the shopping for the house and all that. So yeah, quite easy to put the strap on, even if you have long nails. Well, yeah, so quite easy to put the strap on if you wanted to. My thing is I always have it on, and then you can also just decide to put the strap inside if that's how you want to store it. That's what I meant, you know, when I say that, you know, if you put things that stay like right at the top there, it makes your bag like this, and it stops it from closing. Okay, so now I moved it a bit, and now you can see that it closed. Yeah, again, great bag. I wear it all the time. I love the fact that I considered it a classic bag because I don't think it's going to go out of shape. It doesn't, out of style. It doesn't have a crazy, you know, type of shape like maybe the Chiquito, but I really like this bag because it just makes me feel like I can wear this bag in 2 years, 5 years, and it won't look, you know, a bit weird. Of course, I haven't been in the future, so I don't know what type of bags we'll be wearing then. But at the same time, I think that I will still like this bag. It's so nice that I would like to experiment a little bit more and get more colors. I've noticed that they have blue ones. Blue one is a little bit more expensive, but yeah, I need to research that. I don't know why. Yes, they have blue ones. They have a green one that's really nice as well. They have orange ones, and then they have a bunch of different colors. So, you know, and then they have different styles of leather as well. I've noticed that they have a few suede ones. So yeah, you have options there. If you're thinking of like pulling the trigger and getting this bag, definitely do so. Find a color that you like, or stick with the black, because at least with the black it can go with everything. Yeah, so that's basically it. I really love the bag. I think for me it would be an 8 out of 10, just because of the soft leather. Not that it's a bad thing, but because it's prone to scratches. And yeah, and it's definitely a keeper. And just for people that are interested, I just recently got the Chiquito. I always feel like saying the smallest size, but it's not the smallest size. It's just the standard Chiquito, the original Chiquito that came out. So this is how it looks, and I'm just gonna put them side by side so you can compare in terms of sizes. I think the Chiquito is about half of the Grand Bambino, and then on the side they have more or less the same shape, the triangle shape. This one, I think it's a bit easier to put your hand through and then, you know, hold it on the crook of your arm. But yeah, you can definitely store more items in this one than this one. So yeah, that's how they look. I'm very happy with both. I will do a review for this one in a few months time when I've really used it, if I really use it. But yeah, so stay tuned for that. So yeah, this marks the end of this review. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, if there's anything that I didn't mention, please feel free to ask me questions in the comment section. I'm always there and I always reply to those. Yeah, so if you think of anything, let me know. If you know anybody that wants to buy this bag or that doesn't know or is not sure, whatever, feel free to share this video with them. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and share it with your friends. And I will see you in my next one. Bye.